Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video tutorial is over Chul-Gi Hyung, our empty hand pattern. We will be naming each skill as we go through the pattern. I can't do something correctly if I'm not sure what it is. We're starting in a closed ready stance with our feet together, our knees slightly bent, and twin knife hands low. We'll look off to our right, step across, step out into a horse stance, backhand strike. Reverse elbow strike. Coming to my hip here, low block, horizontal punch, and bringing it over my shoulder. Now with my right foot, I'm going to step across, step out, and again I'm making a horse stance. Vertical back fist, supported back fist. My left elbow is on the back of my right hand. Wave kick, outer forearm block, wave kick, hammer block, twin horizontal punch, backhand strike, reverse elbow strike, low block, horizontal punch, bringing it over my shoulder again, step across, step out, vertical back fist, supported back fist, wave kick, outer forearm block, wave kick, hammer block, twin horizontal punch. Then back to our ready stance, closed ready stance, twin knife hands low. Okay. That is Chul-Gi, iron horse. Gets its name from the horse stances that this pattern is built on. Thank you very much for joining me.